Morning everyone. Today is February 12th, 2025. This approaching 9 o'clock London market open, and we start with the new first. Investing.com gives 11 o'clock started the first new, and then the rest of the day interesting new, just looking roughly, will be USD new, OPEC core CPI. CPI is the big new, also could be impact to the market today, so keep the eye on this new. It's not so far, nothing announced yet, just blank, and we'll come back at it. The first new will come announced at 11 o'clock. It's just Euro speaking, ECB speaking. Here the news report from AI. International new Elon Musk consortium bids for OpenAI. North Korea report reopen to tourists. Anyway, all this is about fundamental political development and so on. But the new most interesting is for investing.com. Here we start with this New Zealand, Swiss franc pair 1 hour chart. So as you can see that I have to put this Bandicam down a little bit so I can see the full picture. Okay, it doesn't look like it will help. Let's move on with this. Anyway, this is the first pair of the Swiss franc. Let's see the big picture of it. It's USD. I think I remember this. I'm watching it a whole 2-3 days in a row, and I know it's US Swiss franc. US Swiss franc is this morning is going down from Asian. Look like Swiss franc is coming back, or USD getting weak. And it is 1 hour, okay, 1 hour chart. So how many hours? This is opening market hour candles. Look at this, and we look at the 1 month. This is the monthly. It's belong to Swiss franc. Swiss franc want to sell this. The big boy just take a pause, taking a break, and his break create this range. We go down to the weekly, and the range is come up to the top of the range. It's time to go down. Many people would think that way. So am I. It's a risk taker. Stop loss up here and it's going further down, taking a small position. If a stop loss hit, it's just take for a gambling kind of trade. So I haven't do anything yet. I'm gonna put the bid mean, I don't know what it bid mean. Ask mean to buy, or bid mean to sell. I don't know. I just put one of them. Okay, I want to sell this, but I put bid. Let's say check for sell. I want to sell. This is good. US Swiss franc bid higher or equal to 0.918 price. Check this price level for sell if it hit. Okay, put the alert on. At least I know when it come. I have to check once again, see how they're doing. Week, daily, we are on daily now. 4 hours, back to 4 hours. Look at this. It is purely sign of divergence. You see here, this something not following up, opposite. Here to here, here to here. That means this going up. Why? Because too much to explain in the technical. Going to back to 1 hour. So far, that's the Swiss franc, US Swiss franc. And to go to detail, 15 minutes, you can see this opening market. Look at the things with no new support or anything yet. The price is moving down. Why they're moving down? Where is no news, no support? I guess I wait for the news and see really what the big boy want to do. And this the key level price for me so far at 15 minutes. I don't want to go down further down because it's not yet trust for me to do anything because there's no new support. Go back, put it back to 1 hour. That's so far I can get to US Swiss franc. Euro Swiss franc. Yeah, I go roughly up to see, compare. Okay, look at this to compare with of each pair. Euro Swiss franc and Aussie Swiss franc look better. It's got above this area and pulling back, maybe pulling back deeper to go back up again, and we have to watch for this side if they come back that strong or weak. Accordingly, we'll look at it later. Swiss francs JPY, Swiss franc in the front, Swiss franc is weak, and suddenly today from the Asian market is moving up. Why it's moving up? Is this the sign of a big boy coming back or not? We have to see the response of this guy when the news, CPI news, I believe that they're waiting for that CPI news. And if they go before that, let it be. I have to observe the market to eliminate from the unclarity out before I make the decision. Right now we stalking every pair, and the hot pair for yesterday and day before, I radar on Swiss franc JPY and Aussie Swiss franc. So this is two pair that look like that's so far I can recall. And okay, we're not gonna go too in detail. We're just gonna get further on to look at again. Swiss franc JPY moving up. Swiss franc look like the big boy coming back or not. CAD Swiss franc. CAD is strong yesterday. I don't know what happening. It's just strong, and now it's pulling back. If that pulling back to create a channel, pulling back, we will see for the correlation later on during the New York market. GBP Swiss franc. Okay, GBP is strong yesterday too, and very catchy the eye for the lower time frame. But remember, this can be enticing for the buyer to step in, think that market is ready to shift. But really, if we go and look at the monthly, weekly, is It's just the big boy take a break. Okay, we back to analysis this thing. Since we look at every key, every pair on switch from, we go back to the sequence where we can see better in the whole forest. Bitcoin just an extra in 5 minutes, 3 minutes things. I should put it back to same sequence, 1 hour. What happened? 1 hour. Oh, you see, I can change it from here, I believe. Okay, 1 hour. Everyone is 1 hour in sequence. So what is it different? What is different? It's different is because this is set to 30 minutes. I need 1 hour the same. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Okay. Switch from in the front only. Okay. Switch from in the front. Okay. Look at this. US switch from. This one is different. It's going down. US getting weak today. Big boy coming back. Switch franc is coming back or not? Look at the other pair. Euro switch franc. Nothing much. If it's 1 hour, nothing move on Euro. Aussie switch franc. Aussie also getting weak today. After all yesterday coming. Pulling back or reverse. Look at the size. That's what we have to clarify. Switch from JPY. Switch from JPY. Switch from in the front. So switch from strong. Alibaba come back, the big boy. Look at this. 1, 2 pair switch from is strong. Not in Euro. And 3 Australian too. Oh, Cats switch from. Cat switch from. Cat also weak. More. Look like they call it. GBP switch from. It look like twins pair, sister pair to Euro. Nothing happened. But at least they get a little ding. They were following if this thing says something. New Zealand switch from. New Zealand is weak. Same like the other. Switch from is coming back or not. 1 hour is here. But we have to go and check for the 4 hour above this switch from. I have to. What happened? Give me. Switch from 4 hour. Cat switch from 4 hour. Let's get a little bit curious what the higher time frame doing on this thing. So hang on, they're loading up. So far we get a little bit of what pair is it now. I think it's highlight on Bitcoin. Bitcoin come first. Report me Bitcoin what time frame you are. It's look like a lower time frame. We can make sure by change it to 1 hour. So 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin USD. Hang on, we are just moving out to the switch from thing. Just a quick look, okay? Look at this. 1 hour. They've been how many days holding this key level, and today they coming. Yesterday they came very fast. The intention is there. The news, no news support. So B class kind of type, not A plus. I don't know. I have to check for the news and everything here again, because I have no brain to recall everything. So sideways market up this morning. This is London market. No volume whatsoever, no news. they're waiting same for the CPI new today. Okay, let's go back to Swiss franc. We go make the sequence in, so we can see first Swiss franc in 4 hour clearly, roughly check. US Swiss franc. Okay, I don't like that. It's coming up. US Swiss franc is, look at my mouse. US Swiss franc, if we look at this as a key beforehand in this US Swiss franc, which one is coming strong like this from the past? US Swiss franc is like in a big range and no test, very strong fight. The other is Euro Swiss franc. Euro strong, Swiss franc not coming back yet. US and Swiss francs, I get a hint they were coming back today. This is the 4 hour and daily, not yet. We have to check the daily. So it coming to test this area, key level, and now if they want to go up more, they have to keep hold on this level. So far, let them try. Let them see what the Swiss franc doing. Show me more. Keep me sideways market so I can read. So this is the Swiss franc, US Swiss franc. We go again one by one. US Swiss franc a little bit ding. This is 4 hour, nah? Remember, this area is the key level for the 4 hour guy to hit, and we just came from 1 hour. They start already in the 4 hours, just only 2 candle. Start the 3rd candle for the London market open. I am not touched Swiss franc JPY yet because Swiss franc in, okay, it's different sequence. Swiss franc come first, that means you have to give the priority to Swiss franc to read it. If it's go down, that means Swiss franc is down, okay? This is the key level of the 4 hour time frame for Swiss franc, and it look like, I'm not sure if it's 4 hour. I want to make sure it's 4 hour. Okay, it's 4 hour. Double click again, it's 4 hours. 4 hours, volume, everything, check, downhill. It's Swiss franc coming back at 4 hours. This is the key level. The key level of 4 hour Swiss franc. I haven't put any signal for me yet. If I want to sell bid, no, I have to go bid for sell. No, cancel, sell, no, cancel. Okay, bid price, looking for sell, confirm, just approximately to put things there for me to recognize, to be alert. Okay, Swiss franc is coming back. Just the first move. Never think go the first move. Okay, you need to test. This look like a little thing coming up. Okay, the buyer start to interesting, and then seller show. Seller cannot do no more. Buyer take a chance for doing this area next. So that's what happened. We have to wait for the CPI new at New York market. No news. But anyway, the cat is down. Now the cat is down. It's up here in this level. So this level is the cat level. If they mean to go up further, they have to standing within this key level. They may be getting down a little bit for create a pullback for this guy who haven't get in yet. You don't go without me, or please come back, lift me up. They have to come and lift this guy up, at least here. I need to put somewhere around here. This line, I give a bad shot. This I should buy as price. No, not sell. I should buy. Cancel. I should get bid price. No, I should not sell. I try to get a bid price, or I trying to sell the price somewhere, but I get interrupt, so I had to try again. Where was I? Switch from JPY, CAT JPY, CAT. I come into CAT. Anyway, I already put the thing. Let's move on. The CAT is also moving down, and this price I want to buy, to looking for buy. If they come in here just to give me, not really, just something to, I don't want to. Let's go. No, not that way. Let me figure out another time, another one. Okay, I just put it in anyway. What the hell? When it a ding around, I just use it. I have to refine it again. I just need the alert, something to alert me. Too many shots to look for. GBP also started moving down. Same. I put my price. If it's lower I want to buy, but this thing give me like I have to sell. I don't know, maybe I put this thing, but I don't care. I put it in anyway, just to get this the ding, the bell ring, and I have to look it again when it's ring. The GBP is down. A whole look like so far across the board. The Swiss franc is coming back. Look like that. You see, it is New Zealand is also moving down. What's happening? Correlation is key issue. Okay, it's key level. That's easy to answer that question. It's now it's logic that they have to respond, and the respond, how they respond, when they respond, what time they respond, how the things look, the chart look, the candles look, everything have to be refined to eliminate all the unclear picture. And back to Bitcoin again. I'm stalking on Bitcoin also heavily because I like when I can trade on Saturday and Sunday. I keep Bitcoin on my stalking list, okay? And we go back to this sequence again. So far, that's what is 4 hours, guys. 4 hours start to react, but the way they react, we have to wait for it. Anyhow, we go for the daily of farther of the 4 hour. Swiss franc daily. Swiss franc is always my radar pair, okay? And let them loading. What pair is this? I think, let me guess, I think it's the Bitcoin. I'm not know yet, because anyway, we go to this goods big sequence first. Here, okay, daily guy, but this guy is weekly. I have to put him back to daily. Sometimes I need to check if I really in the good sequence. I maybe change it here. So daily, where are you daily? I can't find any daily yet. Let's see, daily is here. Okay, let's go. Okay, daily. Okay, all in daily. Look roughly, guys. And this is US Swiss franc sideways after this leg pulling back or trying to go on the sideways to make the decision. So US Swiss franc up, Euro Swiss franc up, Aussie Swiss franc up. You don't see any ding, but you see that this ding in the 4 hour is already start. Remember that. Swiss franc also come a long way. big candle here, but they need the test too. And catch Swiss franc a little ding, not even ding, because this candle not paint yet. They just start a whole day. This is daily candle, okay? It look like the buyer very strong to look at this green candle, but we can go down low time frame to look what is this in detail. So far it's also reached to the key level where the seller or the discount shop dealer want to discount their price, but so far it's so strong intent of the buyer. And New Zealand Swiss franc also red. So far we'll just look at this red candle, but we didn't look at the back here, the story. Let's look from one by one. Swiss franc, look at this from here, period, time period, where how they react. New Zealand Swiss franc is like messy, choppy. GBP Swiss franc is like no test, very strong down, strong up, back, put it back to the top of the range, and now come with a very strong, scary green candle ready to break through this level. And let's have to keep the eye on GBP Swiss franc and Euro Swiss franc. These two pair are more or less a pair or sister, twins or whatever. They go correlate together. So they are strong searching but not break through this key level, which is when every of the pair already show a sign more of the red. Here you don't get any red yet, but they will follow up and put the paint on. I think it will go down at least some level around here to make the channel up and then sideways, and then decide later what they want to do. So roughly sketch, we know that Swiss franc possibly coming back, and we will have to monitoring again at the New York market with CPI new report. Now we go one by one. US Swiss franc, how do they do at the level when we look back to the far left, and this level is the history, the receipt, the whatever the memory they have, they will attack again. So here they respond, the first test, and then they haven't put in the second test yet, but so far this second pullback is look very strong. Is equilibrium on both sides. Not yet they say what the direction they want to do according to the big range, and I think they coming down to get this for the best, for the price that they love to have, the best price. That's US Swiss franc. That's why in the lower time frame it look like just a sideways market, not anything promising that they pick up the direction yet. So Euro Swiss franc, let's see. Now Euro is coming back, okay? And let's see, they are the way they're coming back is choppy, but even though the buyer not interesting, the seller not interesting to put more of the discount price or selling to them, because they are come too many of them, and too many of them in a small candle size, which is mean okay, they probably put the gas in the pedal, let whatever the market want to decide, let them struggling up, and once they got the good level price here, and then they will decide to push the market down, give a test to give a discount price, as they do here, the big red candle. The buyer not so performance, give me a little better price. So okay, here the better price. They push down to the next area where they pull back, to let the guy to get in, and then come again. The buyer come with strong promising candle. That's Euro and GBP. I want to jump to the GBP first before. So these guys are twins, a pair, a sister, a brothers. The GBP also behave like the same thing. Look, Euro in the range, but maybe not exactly the same, but right now they are up. Okay, they down for first leg, second leg, and second leg lead to the third leg. Not quite just yet, because it look like they're not interested on this price. They want a better price, either back here, or even here. So I put my alert on to see if they come there, and it's too far down here. I'm no have time to wait. I put one more in here. Okay, it doesn't matter beat or whatever. I just want this line in. When they touch something have to look okay. Daily Euro switch franc and GBP switch franc. Look here. They test this at the 4 hours already start, and I think because it's coming so big, I'm not gonna touch this until I see this broken down to small candles. I'm burned before. I'm not gonna burn myself again by doing the same mistake again and again. Okay, just have to put image into my memory. Okay, this is like breakdown, big intention. They want to go down. Why? Is there a diversion? A little bit, so, and down. Is there a diversion on this side? A little bit, so it's not clearly, so they don't pick any direction. They're more likely squeeze in the middle. Whoever get in here, these two lines, they'll be squeezed. But now they're on the top of the range. Do they gonna carry on sideways this forever? If this happen, we have no direction. We have to say this trade is not going in anyway. It's not belong to this time frame. It's belong to the higher time frame. Daily is not day time frame. So look at the weekly. So it look like okay, we got some setup going for us to read. Weekly is like coming down. Is intention of the seller to want to sell this. They're still in control of the market. Look at this guy. This guy is the key level that I might have to pay attention, even though it's so far away. I want to sell this in the future. If I read this and they go according to my setup, I will sell. So this is selling. The thing give me to say sell. Okay, when it's come up here. And so far, that's the GBP switch from sell market. Weekly sell. It belong to the weekly, I suppose, because you don't read test 1, test 2 here, test 2 failed to reverse the market. And I still want to look again and again until I get the clear picture in my mind what the weekly is up to, because it's not so clear. Give me, come on, clear price, clear cut. This is I look at this, it look like a big range. It's just coming out okay. It's take a long time to hold and to attack this area. After all, they're trying to reach here, they can't. The buyer are so strong. This is the test of the seller. Test the market. They get the first test in. They not seem to be satisfaction with this price that they get to go further down. They want to get a better price. So they're coming up, let the market move the things back in and make their belief that they are really want to change the direction. But look at this Shopee, not Shopee, but it's so small compared to this, and they managed to move it up because the buyer stopped, put the gasoline to push the gas to the car to run faster, so they stopped the thing so the buyer can coming back, or some people catching out and make this price getting back here. Look at this, the diversion, if there is or not, and look like okay, that's healthy, but not here. It's a little bit, not so clear, but anyway, give a credit to them that they can move the market down, but it's belong the seller market. So when they get the best price, this is the key issue level. Once they touch, we're looking for what's the outcome. They touch and boom, okay, the seller is here, and the buyer put it back, not even get higher high, and the seller boom, second leg, second time, not a leg, second time out of this area, and waiting for this guy who said that they want to move up the market and they get scared, because look at this, I would be scared. But anyway, seem like the seller not like this to make the price to this area just yet, because they take in order and order. I don't know how long the order they will take, but this is like cooking in the center, in the hot spot of both party. Interesting, and we wait for that breakout. But it's curious further. Okay, monthly, finally, at least it still look like the seller is totally in control. Only bottom, rejection first time, bottom rejection second time, and still not going up anyway. They seem like they are waiting for something. Look at this divergent, and it's not things in here said it's divergent. It's not so clear divergent, so I don't go for divergent. Just look in this quickly for the higher time frame doing so far. I'm looking for who is this trade belong to, what time frame. So far I can clear picture only on the weekly, like test 1 for the seller, test 2 for the seller, and test 2 is not even break this line, which is I can call a test 2. Test 2 should be a bit up around here, or 60% on Fibonacci or whatever is 50%, okay, or at least approximately. If you seller, you want to sell this thing, and when you sell, you want to sell a very high here above, so you can make the margin to move down. Okay, that's what happened to switch from GBP switch from, according to Euro switch from. They're both moving up. And what is this? Is it daily? Okay, I have to put this thing on okay, let me see if I can do it easy way. Daily, okay, everyone's in the daily. Okay, daily, Euro daily, upstream, not yet, I won't say they're gonna change the direction just yet. I just have to read it. But so far, this big green on Euro and this big green on the GBP are close up to the top. Euro, what is where the Euro? Not even yet break any of this top. Beside, this is like probe, pulling back, dash of evil, and coming back here. The buyers seem not to give up yet. Why? Euro is strong, or what? Yeah, Euro have a good news or bad news. I'm not recall. I have to go back, but I get a little bit remember somewhat. Euro and GBP is have an issue, which is I have to go back and look why they get strong and fluctuate the price very rapidly. no test, no whatsoever. Aussie Swiss franc is my running up from yesterday reading.
The county.
Okay, that's GBP Swiss franc. New Zealand Swiss franc. New Zealand is also get smashing down. Look like New Zealand is the lowest, the weakness across the board, and the level, I need to put some level in. If they touch here, they will let me know, and I will look at it accordingly. I thinking this is the price they want to reach, the better price. This is high price. They're supposed to go up higher, but they can't. This key level pushed them down, because this guy is the key issue. The guy who responsible for all of this move down here and need to be taken out, and he has built up his level, and the first level is inside of his territory area. He cover all of this. Some people would call inside day bar. I know, inside what day bar, daily bar. Anyway, daily time frame. So who is control this? We have to go along with them, and we can only do a counter trend from time to time. It look like they've been pulled back in the mid of this big range, first big range. Not even get through yet, so the seller is still in control. So this is the daily of the New Zealand Swiss franc, and next one, anyway, daily. But I want, in a way, I want to go a little bit peak on the lower time frame, because every pair reached to the 4 level, a 4-hour time frame to push the price down, and now everyone is hot and at the opening time frame, and I want to do something, pull the trigger, but really that bad habit I used to have, I need to go away. I need to read the market until to the very final sure what is going on, then I will do it. But anyway, it's something that I need to do better on my trade every time. Reading the market is my job. Okay, we put it back to daily like all the rest. Okay, let's go further on. Bitcoin daily also. If this time frame belong to the daily, if it belong to daily, they have to show me the sign that they have already put in V formation. Test 1 cannot come back for test 2. I can say the test 2, because the reject here move up slightly a bit, bridge to this line, cannot take this buyer out, and reject and reach to the top, but no higher high. It seems like the buyer cannot or not interesting yet to move the price up in the sequence of super desperate. No one want to do that. They want to make money. They want to take order. So if you think, it's now the price touch MA 100, I need to buy. No. You have to wait to see. Even though they break through here, it may be just because they're teasing, they're fooling people around. They call a probe dash of evil, or somebody like me would say some fooling, some bear trap signal, bear trap symbol, like this, rejection. Okay, further down is like, okay, look at it further down. 4 hour. Okay, their area to respond, to do something. 4 hour, come on, 4 hour guy. This guy very strong, intent to go down, and they are playing the ball now because they are under this MA 200 and 100. After all, Bollinger Band, everything promote this Dow falling down, underneath of everything. But they have to show something. 4 hour. Are you here to push the price back up, or you scared of this guy? Let's keep the eye on. Go further down. Okay, in more detail. Bitcoin. This guy is the key role to play inside of his range, and not even going out from anywhere in this territory. So Bitcoin in 1 hour is more likely a sideways market. Yesterday they showed that very strong, everybody were happy, especially lower time frame, thinking that this is going further down. Okay, this guy is responsible and put his level up, level 1, 2, 3. You get through this, all this level before you will call a distant direction shift, reverse. Market is being reversed. So far it's only a pullback because it belongs to the seller. This is seller in this case mean a counter trend. Remember, counter trend, you don't go very far if you can break this first level and second level, third level in a very, very narrow distance. But anyway, I like to look at 4 hours, and 4 hours they will come and get this guy released, this guy too. Look at this, many waiting, and look like they're gonna give a good fight that level. And I would like to put my alert. Hang on, wrong place, very close. Look at here. I think this guy and this guy and this guy approximately around here. Not approximately around here. Okay, I think I create something by or bid or as, I don't know. Just get the yellow lights in. This is the bell ring when they touch, and the bell ring, I think this so far, but I put it back later when this guy is taking. When this ring is gone, okay. Anyway, when the ring, I have to come back here. So far we go back to the main charge. I mean, not main, whole sequence. So US Swiss franc in day chart is just a little ding. It from the 4 hours give a little red of every pair except Euro and GBP are lag behind. All of them are already progressing. Okay, we get stop at the Swiss franc and we go to another pair which is on my radar. It's gonna be either JPY and USD. Let's see. We go on 1 hour to go up like we did before. So JPY loading for me, please. Are we in JPY? Alright, no, not yet. Okay, loading. Workspace, try. JPY 1 hour is loading. And say goodbye to Swiss franc. Give a bit brief look that which one is runner up possible. Swiss franc is coming back today, at least pulling back, counter trend. Let's see if we can do some pullback and buy. No, not buy, sell. Pull back and sell. It's already pulled back here. come on. Here pull back, like pull back, ready to sell at 4 hours. Pull back, ready to sell. That means okay, it look like Swiss franc coming back. And now we are in JPY. JPY look a little across the board. Up, 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 up. What is up? Up is mean JPY is weak, but that is the yesterday. But today, since the morning, JPY Aussie is pulling back. Aussie JPY pulling back. New Zealand JPY pulling back to this area. Are they gonna respect this SLR? Euro JPY pull back too, but not so as much as Aussie and New Zealand JPY. GBP pulling back like Euro JPY. They are sisters pair. And US JPY pulling back a little bit more like Euro and GBP pulling back, not as much as Aussie and New Zealand. CAD Swiss franc or CAD JPY pulling back too. It look like twins sister pair to US JPY, they call it, but all of them pulling back, but the speed of pulling back are different. So Swiss franc in the is also pulling back, but look at the leg that they shift up for before they're pulling back. Which one is the strongest? They look promising is GBP JPY and Swiss franc JPY and Euro JPY. Look like they are so strong to go up, and to pull back is very shallow compared to Aussie JPY and New Zealand JPY. They pull back quite deep, and we have to waiting for CPI market, New York market, CPI news announcing, and see what happening. Maybe something telling us to think about JPY today supposed to become weak, but it's pulling back for the buyer to step in, because they're pulling back great distance, and they pull back can be deeper or shallower accordingly, so they have to pull back somehow, and we're looking at to buy. Who is the window shopping the best of the buyer? For me, the highest one is GBP, Swiss franc and Euro is the highest, and they're pulling back very tiny. It's also CAD, no, not CAD, CAD is pulling back bigger than US, but all of this 1 2 3 4 5 of these are small, 2 of these are big. So today, what do I think if I have to choose buy or sell today on the JPY things and Swiss franc thing? Swiss franc, it looks like it's gonna pull back some distance for that, and JPY also gonna pull back for some distance and then go up north again. Okay, that's put in my mind on that thing. So far, let's look at JPY on the single chart. Okay, this is the single chart in the 1 hour. JPY yesterday, day before, pulled back to test this level, and that is his first test, first direction test, challenging this guy for saying, I'm gonna give you a test, 2 tests or more. It depends on you. Are you still there? Are you interested to coming back? This is what Aussie JPY is saying to me. I want to see some action. If Australian strong like yesterday, pull back with the weekend sign, not a big sign. So